Hey, do I have something to tell you?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Blah, 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 blah. Yap, yap, yap.
Settle down.
Okay, guys, there is a new scam going on out here, and it's nothing you've ever seen before. This scam is not like your regular scams that you receive through emails, like your account has been locked, so click the link to reset your password because of suspicious activity, or your McAfee account has been charged a certain amount of money, and if this wasn't you, call the number below. This new scam consists of 4 entities, and this new scam is nothing like what you've ever seen before. Stick with this video and I'll tell you what's involved, how it works, what it looks like, and how to get past it. I'll also tell you if you get caught into it, how to get out of it. Now, the 4 entities these scammers are using are Facebook, Meta, your internet service provider, and your operating system. Okay, guys, this is what I am talking about. As you can see, I am on one of my Facebook accounts, and right here is the message center, and as you can see, there is four messages here. Now, this is the first part of the scam, and this is on Facebook side. Now, watch what happens when I click on this link. Now you can see exactly what the message is about. And it says here, your Facebook page will be permanently deleted due to lack of interaction and authorship verification, which violates our community standards according to our policy. If you believe this is an error, please submit an appeal for review using this link below. If there is no appeal, the deletion will be final. Thank you for your cooperation. And as you can see at the bottom, it says Meta Support Team. Now, look at this part. Oh, wait a second. Okay, so April the 24th, 2025, 4:33 p.m. Today is May the 12th. My page is not deleted. I am on here reposting stuff at least 2 or 3 times a month. As you can see here, right up here, assign this conversation. Right above that is a name, a Chinese name, and there is no picture here. Facebook does not send you messages like this, not from Meta, not about your account being deleted. Now, here it is. This one here, I'm not going to click into it because I might get caught up again. If you can see on this side, the same person, important notice from Meta, your Facebook, important notification from Meta, final. This is in February, and now this is under a different name, Fabio. And then again, final inbox, February 25th, checker inbox required now, final warning, and it just continues on. And then right here it says Facebook user message unavailable. Now, as you can see, all of these was sent through the messaging. All of these was sent through the messaging. And this is a separate page. So now this scammer is have recreated the page and everything, and you can tell this does not look right. Okay, down here it says you are no longer able to send messages to this person. Learn more. I'm not going to click into that because I don't know if this is really Facebook or if it's a tricky link or whatever. So I'm not clicking into that. But Facebook could have, this is from Lou Zen, or however you pronounce his name. They could have stopped this person. I haven't received anything from Fabio, from Facebook for Fabio. So this is how it starts. It starts through Facebook. Now, if you hold on a second, I'm going to show you the second step. So I'll be right back. The use of your internet service provides for the pop-up when you click on your messages because it opens up in a separate window. If you click on the link in the message, you get this pop-up which includes your operating system. Now keep in mind, there is nothing wrong with your operating system. The scammers want you to call the number on the screen so they can get money out of you or even steal your identity if they want to take it a step further. When you try to close the window out, the pop-up will cover your whole screen and lock it up. When this happens, you can't even access your taskbar to try to navigate away from this pop-up because you can't even see your taskbar. Now I want you to watch this video to see how to get out of this screen and take back control of your computer. I will leave a link in the description box below. And please share this video so other people can see what's going on and how to fix the problem if they come across this. Let's work together to live better. And always, thank you for watching.